Hey guys, I will show you how to fix this problem on Windows system, and let's fix this issue together. But there is one problem: we can't fix this Roblox crashing problem without uninstalling the application. Before uninstalling the Roblox, we need to do some steps and then we will reinstall it. So do these all process. You need to just don't miss any steps. Just right click on the start icon, select run, and open the type here app data and hit enter. Once we are here, you will get the Roblox folder here. Simply right click on it and select delete it. Once done, just close this window, again open run, then type here %temp% and hit enter. Again we need to delete this folder, but you have to delete all these files and folders from the temp folder. So select all these files, right click on it and simply delete it. Once done, just close this window, again open run. Now this time type temp and hit enter. Again you will get multiple files and folders here, so together you have to delete all of them. So select all and right click on it and select delete. Once done, just go to the control panel and then go to the uninstall the program section and uninstall the Roblox application. After that, restart the system and again download the Roblox application. Okay, your problem will be solved for sure, 100%. You can also check out our pin command to fix this issue quickly and effectively, and you're good to go. Don't forget to like the video and please do subscribe the channel.